I have been here before. The sighing sound. You have been mine before.
Hello, stranger. Hello, Mum.
Hello, stranger.
Hello, Mum.
I can't bear to think you're unhappy, Jamie.
I'm fine.
Fine isn't the same as happy. No, we're happy, aren't we, Edward?
Yes, we're fine. I'm going to leave. She'll be better off without me.
I don't want to be here when you do it.
You can't just walk away after 29 years. You have to try.
I have tried for 29 years.
No.
If I were to blame you for anything, it would be letting her think that you were happy. You think maybe he'll walk back through that door?
It really could happen.
Mum, he's in love! So if your life hurts you so much, I won't stop you.
I mean, what gave you the right?
That's enough.
I thought there were 3 unhappy people, and now there's only 1. His name is Edward. Stay, Edward. Stay.
Oh, who's this?
Come, Edward.
What?
Not you. If we get a divorce, I get less than if he died.
Oh, yes.
So it would be better for me if you were dead.